Hi, my name is Sal. I'm the president of Spyderco. My wife Gail and I founded Spyderco in 1976. While our son is currently running the company, we're still involved in the company. And I was asked to explain what we did with the World Trade Center project, which we did after 9/11. So we'll start with the attack. The attack was really shocking for us. It was kind of like Pearl Harbor, except with Pearl Harbor, we knew there was a war going on. When September 11th World Trade Center was attacked, most Americans were quite shocked. We had no idea who would attack us or why they would attack us. Many of the people that were running into the towers when everybody else was running out were carrying our knives. That's our market, law enforcement, fire departments, paramedics. So Gail and I decided to engrave a few hundred serrated rescue knives. We put in memory of America's finest on each blade, and we shipped them to the NYPD to distribute to the cleanup crew. And that worked out fairly well, but Gail and I felt we wanted to do more. We wanted to do something special. And so in working with the New York people, we were able to obtain some steel from Tower 1. And that's when the entire project began. We designed a new knife, a new model. We invented a new lock, that was the ball lock, which we ended up putting a patent on. And then we wanted to cut out skylines out of the steel from Tower 1 that we could put into the handle of the rescue model that we designed. And that's what we did. We cut out the little skylines with a wire EDM so that they would all be exactly the same, and we could nest them into the handle. It took a long time because it was a new design, it was a new lock. We were tooling up at the time. We wanted to make it in the US because it was a US project. And we made a little over 2,800 knives, the number of people that were killed in the towers. We sold all of them at full boat. I think we gave away two. One went to John DeLaro's wife, which I'll get into a little bit later, and the other one we sent to the World Trade Center that they were rebuilding. Even my family had to pay full boat for all of the ones that we did. And then we had some steel from the World Trade Center that we left over because we had gotten quite a bit. And so we decided to put a display in the store that was the beams from the Tower 1, which our customers could see and actually touch if they wanted to. And then the project got a little more complicated because in 2003, we started to send our native model to our troops in the Middle East. We engraved the operation on each one. We put "We pray for your safe return" on each one, and we did a lottery with the soldiers in the Middle East, and we sent out between 50 and 60 pieces a month. My wife Gail signed every letter that went out to the troops with the knife, and as the model changed on the knife, we just went to the new model. And so as a result of that project, we ended up with a lot of response from the soldiers. They sent letters, they sent photographs, they sent numerous American flags. We probably sent between 10 and 12,000 knives out there. It's quite a thing for our customers to take a look at. A lot of tears at this display. As it turned out, we finished the project and then we gave 100% of the profit to the Widows and Orphans Fund. We thought that that was a good thing for us to do. Some of the NYPD folks said that John DeLaro was a Spyderco advocate, and he was killed in the towers. And they asked that we use his name somewhere in the project. So after we finished making the World Trade Center knives, we changed the mold and we created a new handle, which became the John DeLaro model. The 20th anniversary of 9/11 is coming up pretty soon. And I think it's really important that we stop the world a little bit and take the time to remember, take the time to appreciate everyone involved, everyone that passed away. And I think we should pay attention to what's going on in the world today.